Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Perception be like. The same situation can look completely different depending on who's looking at it. One, half full versus half empty. Person A, great, there's still juice left. Person B, oh no, we're running out. Reason, same glass, different outlook. Two, rainy day. Person A, perfect weather for a nap. Person B, my outdoor plans are ruined. Reason, different priorities. Three, alarm clock. Person A, time to start the day. Person B, 5 more minutes. Reason, motivation level vary. 4. Person A, good thing I bought my phone. Person B, this is taking forever. Reason, patience changes perception. 5. Homework. Person A chance to learn. Person B, a mountain to climb. Reason, different attitudes toward challenges. 6. Spicy food. Person A, delicious. Person B, my tongue is on vacation. Reason, different taste tolerance. 7. Monday morning. Person A, new week, new goals. Person B, weekend comeback. Reason, different energy levels. 8. Tiny scratch on a car. Person A, barely noticeable. Person B, I can see it from space. Reason, attention to detail. 9. Group project. Person A, teamwork makes the dream work. Person B, here comes extra responsibility. Reason, different experiences. Number 10, exercise. Person A, feeling stronger already. Person B, my legs are negotiating. Reason, different fitness perspective. 11, traffic. Person A, good time to listen to music. Person B, we're moving slower than a turtle. Reason, different coping styles. 12, reading a book. Person A, what an adventure. Person B, where are the pictures? Reason, different interests. 13, cooking. Person A, let's experiment. Person B, please follow the recipe. Reason, different comfort zones. 14, waking up early. Reason, sunrise is beautiful. Person B, why the sun awake already? Reason, different sleep schedules. 15, receiving feedback. Person A, helpful advice. Person B, ouch my feelings. Reason, different ways of interpreting comments. 16, a quiet person. Person A, wow, they're very thoughtful. Person B, wow, they're planning a whole speech in their head. Reason, people interpret silence differently. 17, a dog running towards you. Person a new comrade. Person B, why is it running at full speed? Reason, experience affect perception. 18, an empty parking space. Person A, lucky day. Person B, this feels suspicious. Come. Reason, optimist and skeptics think differently. 19, a buffet restaurant. Person A, so many choices. Person B, so many decisions. Reason, option can feel exciting or overwhelming. 20, it's a small wave from a stranger. Person A, how friendly. Person B, do I know them? Reason, context changes interpretation. 21, a new update on your phone. Person A, new features. Person B, what button move this time? Reason, change affects people differently. 22, a tall mountain. Person A, let's climb it. Person B, let's admire it from here. Reason, different comfort zones. 23, free time. Reason A, time for hobbies. Person B, time for nap. Reason, everyone recharges differently. That's a perception for you. Same situation, different viewpoint.